Okay, I have my 2017 Sierra Denali over here with a 6.2, and I was going to work on Monday, like 5:30 in the morning, and halfway there, the temperature gauge stopped working. I got to work, turned the truck off, and the fans were running on high. So I was like, okay, what's going on? Turning it back on, turn it back off, fans still running, figure out the temperature sensor wasn't working. So figure out, all right, drove it like that on Monday. On Tuesday, same problem. Halfway through the day, it started working again. Wednesday was working. Thursday started doing it again, fixed again. And then I finally decided to go buy it. And today's Sunday, so I'm replacing it. Here's the part number for the sensor. It's a GM sensor part number right there. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna show you how to replace it real quick. It takes about 5 minutes. I'm gonna take this intake box out of the way. This air box or whatever out of the way. It's real easy to replace, and that will fix the issue with the fan staying on after turning the truck off. It's like a GM programs it to where the sensor fails, to think the truck is overheating or whatever, and keep the fans running all the time. So here's the sensor, and that's what we're going to replace. Let's take it off. So all you need is a 19 mil and a ratchet to replace it. Sure, you have the other one ready. You want to spill all the coolant. Some coolant that will come out of it. Once you take this one out, have the other one ready to go. Let's put it right back in there. Oh, look, nothing came out. That's good. This is the old one. This is the new one. Same thing. Thread sealing and everything on it. Started by hand. You don't want to mess up the threads. This one you have to start it. So once it bottoms out, snug it. And there you go. Plug it back in and you're good to go. The sensor was about what, $40 at the parts store. Like I said, that will fix the issue. of your fans when they keep running. You turn your truck off and your temperature gauge stops working. So hope this video helps. So it takes no more than 5 minutes to change. You don't have to be an expert mechanic to do it. You can do it in your driveway. Hook everything back on. It's tight and you're good to go. I hope this video helps. So this is the old one right here. Thanks for watching.